In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the chain on this Ryobi 40v chainsaw. Remove these two nuts here. You can also use the tool that comes with the chainsaw. You can also sharpen these chains, but you know, replacing them sometimes is just easier. So with that done, we can pull this cap off. Maybe a good time to clean this area out because it's kind of gross. So I'll go do that now. Clean this out as well as I can. First up, we can remove this chain. So push the bar in and that will release the chain, and then you just have to kind of fight it a little bit until you get it off. Best way to do this is hook it over the top so it goes into the slot that runs right along here. So the inside of the chainsaw, these little drives here, that slots in to the slot here, and then they're driven by the gears on the back here. So we're going to put this on from the front and kind of feed it on like that around the drive. I'm going to pull the bar out now, like we're putting a little bit of tension on it, and that'll pull the bottom tight. We need to make sure that the drives slot into the slot that's there. Pull that out. Now we can bring back in our plate. We may get away with putting this straight on, but we may have to adjust the screw here so that the screw on the back side, this adjuster here, lines up with the adjustment right here. We may get lucky, we may not. Never know. Because this chain is new, it's going to be tighter, so this might have to be adjusted, but let's see what we got. So it goes on there. Yeah, doesn't quite line up, so we're just going to turn this adjustment screw to the left. And I'm just going to push this on because now it lines up. And I want to hold this in place, so I'm going to put the nuts back on, but I'm not going to tighten these up because I want to make an adjustment to the bar to make sure that the bar is tight. And you can see that this chain is way too loose, so we do need to tighten this up. So come down to the set screw, and you're going to turn this to the right, and that's going to push the bar out, and you'll see this get tighter now. You don't want to do it too tight. You want to do it to the point where you can pull the chain out a little bit like that, and it still spins, which it does. Spins nicely, and that's probably perfect. A little bit of give, not too much. And we can tighten up these nuts here. And that's how to replace the chain on Ryobi 40v chainsaw. If you did like this video and you want to see more DIY content around the home, you should check out this video here next.